If you're facing some problems or selling or giving away your tab, you need to hard reset or factory reset your Amazon Fire Max 11 tablet. So this is how you can reset your Fire tab back to factory defaults in 2 easy ways. To normally reset your device, from Settings, scroll down for Device Options. Enter it. Now first of all, if you haven't backed up your device, go to Backup and Restore. First, just toggle on this backup option. Now, if you want to immediately reset your device, it's recommended to manually backup your device. And tap on Backup Now. It will immediately back up your device and get it ready for reset. While it's backing up, if you want, you can save your current Wi-Fi password on your Amazon account right from here. Depending on your storage, it might take a while for the backup process. Now, when the backup process is complete, go back just one step. And from here, tap on Reset to Factory Defaults. And after that, from this pop-up, tap on Reset to confirm your choice. After the reset, your Fire tab will automatically restart. You can just go ahead, reset up your device if you want. Now, if the situation is your screen is not responding to your touch, you can't access the Settings app, you can still factory reset your device in another way. For that, just press on this power button and turn it off. Now, press and hold the power button and volume up button together. Keep holding it even if you see the Amazon logo until you reach the recovery mode. Now here, you can use the volume button to go down to wipe data and factory reset, and then use the power button to select it. But please remember, if you did not turn on the backup, it will delete and erase all data and you can't backup it from anywhere else. If you're okay with that, press on this power button to select the factory reset process, go down, and then select Factory Data Reset. After the reset process, you will be redirected in here. Just go ahead, reboot your device. And then, if you want, you can just go ahead and reset up your device. And when prompted, if you have your backup data, you can restore it during the setup process. So that's how you can hard reset or factory reset your Fire tab. Hope this video was helpful. Thank you for watching.